I got asked to test out an electric cardboard cutter tool, and I thought it was a unique idea, so I decided to give it a shot. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a rugged travel case, a USB-C charging cable, a spare blade, and then your cardboard cutter. There's a safety trigger on the bottom, and a power button on the top. Push both down at the same time, and it fires up. The back of the cardboard cutter has the charge port, and the front has a flashlight. I got some cardboard to test this out on, and got to cutting. It took a few attempts to figure it out, because the cardboard can get jammed in the guard if you don't hold it right. But if you bend the cardboard down a bit, as you run the blade across it, it won't get jammed, and it slides through with ease. After I figured that out, it was no problem, and really easy to use. And when I finished chopping up the box, I went on to test cutting other material. It cut through plastic really easily, as well as paper. It also says it can cut through leather and rope. I did try it out on some paracord, but the little strands got caught up in the guard, and it was hard to get a clean cut. But that's fine, because I want this for cutting cardboard. Now that testing is over, it's time to put this to use. So I cut some long strips of cardboard, rolled them up to look like a cinnamon roll, stuffed it inside of a can, then cut some longer pieces to stick out and create a wick, and then I dumped in some melted wax. Now I have some beefy fire starters, and can easily make more whenever I need them. Yeah, I could have done this with a box cutter, but this was so much more fun. Not to mention, easier. You better believe I'm going to be using this to break down my boxes from now on. So if you have some cardboard that needs cutting, this cardboard cutter tool might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go break down some more boxes. See ya.